Hey everybody! Oh my gosh, happy St. Patrick's Day. You guys are in luck today. I am on the Sanibel Causeway and I'm going to do a little virtual video for you guys. I'm going to call it virtual shelling, but I don't really know what's over there today, so we're going to take a look. I wanted to wish you guys a very happy St. Patrick's Day, and if you missed my video this morning on this beautiful glittery shimmery Irish inspired eye look, please jump over to my sister channel at Beauty and the Beach with Laura, and you'll be able to see how I did this look that's been on all day. No caking, no creasing, no smearing, no smudging. It's been on my face all day long. And I'm also giving a special for the rest of the month of March, so be sure to check that out too. Also, we have some mystery bags from Senegence products, which is also going to be listed in my Beauty and the Beach with Laura Facebook group. So if you're not a member, definitely join that. And this is a great way for you to try these awesome products for a fraction of the price. So head over there. All right, so let's get started. We are on the Causeway on Sanibel, and the Causeway is awesome because it is a place where you can come. You do have to pay the toll to get over the bridge, but there is no parking fee, which is really great. So you can see the bridge is over. Hold on, I thought you could say, there it is. There's the bridge right here over the causeway, and there's little islands on the causeway too, so you guys, a nice little panorama view. And there are beaches all along both sides, so you can come here and barbecue. There's facilities, there's grills, picnic tables, bathrooms, all kinds of fun stuff. You do not have to pay for parking, and you can bring your dog. So I don't know if you can see behind me, there's somebody with their dog running around. This is a fun place to swim. The water's not very deep, and you can kayak and paddleboard, and it's really fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around. So you can see this beautiful sunset. Truly is a spectacular one on this St. Patrick's Day evening. And I'm just going to turn around again so you guys can see the causeway there. And so let's go ahead and head down to the water so you guys can kind of see what the beach looks like here, in case you haven't ever been to the beach here on the causeway. And it is nice and calm and peaceful, and you can see all the cars lined up watching the sunset. So Barry and I come here, we'll do takeout for dinner, and we'll come here to the causeway and hang out and have dinner while we watch the sunset, which is really fun. Cute little puppy. So this is what the beach looks like. So this is a bay area here. The water is usually very calm unless there's a storm, and it is usually very shallow, which is really nice. You know, if you have kids, or you know, you want to get in the water and you don't want to be out in the Gulf where it's a little bit more rough and deep. You do have shells here. I don't have my water shoes on today, but I'm just gonna kind of try to zoom in a little bit so you guys can kind of see the water is very clear. The water quality has been fantastic so far this season for those of you who may be visiting. So very clear. You're not going to find the same kind of shells that you would find on the beach side, but you will find shells. Tinies are always really fun. This is always a really fun place to find little tiny shells. If you can see right here is actually a little egg sac, a little lightning whelk egg sac. So this is like kind of the tail end of one. And if you can see on the bottom there is a little hole. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you guys. There's a hole right there, and there's a hole right here. Let's see if I can find it. The camera on the top there, and then there's holes up here. So this is where they hatched out of, and there's a hole right there. So this is an empty egg sac, but this is what a lightning whelk egg sac looks like. and you will find little baby shells. Look at this one right here. I love the tinies, I'm telling you. Look at this cute little tiny right here. Look how cute and little. So this is an excellent, excellent place to find tinies if you are patient. Okay, you just gotta get down and you gotta look and you gotta seek and you gotta hunt. There's a little bubble shell right here. So you're not gonna find your big game shells here. You're not gonna find your Junnonias or your larger shell. Oh, look at this little rice olive right here. Can you see it? And look at this one. I mean, this is such a fun place to find tinies. And you guys, I mean, if you watched my videos, you guys know that I am a tiny fanatic. I just love them. Look at the little cone. Look, right here. Boom! How cute is this little cone? And you'll find some fossil shells around this area too. They'll be gray, they won't be super colorful. Let's see if we can get down here. It's you guys, you gotta get down and you gotta stoop and you gotta get those eyes peeled because some of these shells are very, very tiny. Just gonna do a little panorama for you guys to see if you find anything. And then I'm gonna bring you guys back up. Look how tiny and cute. And I'm just crouched real down low, looking at shells. Look at this one right here. Oh, is that a leaf? I think that might be a leaf. Just kidding. That was a really cool one. There. So even if you're on the causeway, this little piece of a worm shell right here, you can still definitely find shells. Oop, I dropped it. No, I can't find it. Uh-oh. I lost it. I don't know where it went. But hopefully that gives you kind of an idea of what you can find on the causeway right here. Uh-oh, and I'm missing the sunset, so let me go ahead and come up and show you guys this beautiful sunset, you guys. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely gorgeous. Zoom in. You guys can see, look at that fire in the sky. It is so beautiful. Let's do a little panorama really quick so you guys can see storm clouds in the background, palm trees, causeway. I'm gonna just hold here for a minute so you guys can enjoy the sunset, and then I'll try to take you back to do a little bit more virtual shelling before we lose all of our light. Hopefully you guys can hear the waves too. Not a lot of waves, but just enough for that little bit of background. And sometimes at dusk, when the water's really nice and calm, this is a great time that you might see dolphins too. So I'm keeping my eyes peeled. play with my lighting a little bit. The sun's actually set. That's just the glow. So I know that it looks like that the sun's still up, but it's not. That's just the glow from the sun. I'm trying to see if I can zoom in and show you guys that a little bit. Well, it is just so pretty. Day is done. Gone the sun. Beautiful. Okay, so before we lose our light, let's just go back and kind of hit the beach a little bit here, and we'll see what else we can find. Another little worm shell here. Oh, and look at this one. Okay, so I'm trying to keep focused here because everything is like so tiny. And let's see what we can find here. And you guys might actually see things I don't see. Sometimes that happens because I'm trying to look into the screen. Oh, look at this little one right here. Is that a... Oh, look how cute. I literally love the timing so much. Focus, focus. Oh, look at the little tiny kitten paw right there. Or is that a jewelry box? I can't even tell. Oh, it's a little jewelry box. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. So tiny. Look at this little, what is this little guy right here? It's like a little cockle or something. Let's see. Little tiny. So cute. So yeah, don't be afraid to come to the causeway to shell, because there are shells. 3 in a row right there. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna try to zoom in like that. There we go, that might be better for you guys. You can see. I could be here all day, you guys. Like, all day. Looking at tines. Look at that one. Oh, there's a little bubble shell right here. Oh, here's a little, where is it? Rice olive. Look at this. That twofer. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how tiny. Hold on a second. Look how tiny that is. Look at that, it's so tiny. All right, let's do one more little sweep of the area here. Trying to kind of go slow so you guys can see if you see anything. Oh, here's a little, is this a little drill right here? Cute little drill. And then we had a little piece of coral too. Let's see if we can hose that guy off in the water. Look how cool, little piece of coral. That's always fun. I love coral. Love coral. And this is just one very small area of a very, 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 very long beach that you can look at. So I'm literally crouched down so you guys can kind of see like all of the fun shells you can find. So hopefully you enjoyed this little spur of the moment Tiny's tutorial on the Sanibel Causeway. I wish my camera would focus in on how pink that sky is right now. There we go. If you guys can see, it is so bright pink. I know it looks kind of orange on camera, but it is beautiful. I hope that you all have a wonderful week. I hope you had a very lucky St. Patrick's Day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.